In this video I'm going to show you how to install selected MS Office programs. Now Microsoft used to offer a deployment tool which was used to do the same thing. It is not an elegant solution since you need to tinker with XML files and even then it doesn't work. What I'm going to demonstrate today is surely the best and weirdly very less known way to do this. You need to go to this website. The link would be in the description. And you need to go to the download page and download the whole version. Unzip the file. Doesn't matter where or how you download it, just unzip it and open this program. So after opening, just to run it anyway and give it the administrative privileges, and you can see the program has opened. Click on deploy, then select the Office program you want to install. So it provides all the different kinds of programs, and I'll select Microsoft Office 365 and I'll then tick the ones I want to install, that is Excel, PowerPoint, Word. Then you can see all the different options. I'm going to change the architecture to x64 and the channel to semi-annual, and the method you need to select it to install online and the module to Office toolbars. Then you can change or add any language packs if you want to. I'll just keep it at English, and then that's it. You can see all the settings and change if you want to, but I'm not doing anything. And here is the help, and you can just then click on deploy. So you can see all the different apps that are being installed here and the language pack. Just click on yes and it will start installing. It has started installation and you can see it will just come up in a sec. Yeah, so only 3 apps are installing, that is the Word, Excel and PowerPoint. You can see here. So I'll let it download and come back when it is done. So it's done and you can see the notification, the installation has finished. So I'll just remove it and I'll close the tool and close this. So in the start menu, only 3 apps has been installed: Word, PowerPoint and Excel. And I can open Word. So here's the Word. You can then sign in or activate. So basically that's it. Leave comments if you want any other help regarding this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.